There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
Hello YouTube. What I'm doing is I'm taking these things and I lent out my sheet metal brake to somebody, and basically I'm putting it back in its little home. If I drop the goddamn thing, you're gonna see me get severely injured by a sheet metal brake. Of course, all the goddamn magnets are in the way, but I usually hide a little sucker. But of course, every goddamn Tom, Dick, and Harry thing gets caught in the way. Especially extension cords. Those should not be in the way. Yeah, you know, better preparation on the. And when it comes to making YouTube videos, it'd be nice. But you know what? It wouldn't be fucking real if I didn't do it like this. There we go. Basically, one side sits over there. This other side does not want to cooperate. There we go. That should work. There we go, see? Just gotta get some toolage out of the way here, because too many hammers. See, what I did is I put, did I put it in reverse? Yeah, I might have put it the other way. I don't know. It was sitting here before. What the hell did I do? I think I might have had it sitting the other way. Yeah. Fuck, hold on. Let's try this again. This fucking Let's try this again. Take two. Turn that on. Hello YouTube, it's me again. Instead of wasting your time watching endless failure, which is sometimes usually fun, I'm trying to put I usually store my metal brake right here. So I was trying to do this, but I forgot how the hell it went back in. So yeah, I usually put it like this. One end sits here. Of course this doesn't go there. I usually take this and I screw this part on here, like so. Of course, had I prepared this, I would have just been able to screw it on there, but I'm not known for making videos that are like, you know, fancy and glitzy and prepared. I just fucking do shit and get it on camera. So yeah, the reason why I put it on here, I don't know, it just is what it is, I guess. It's just the way this is just basically where it ended up. It sits here nicely. I gotta make what I'm gonna do in the future is make a rack to put it on, see? And basically, there's one little shitty clamp here, and I got one more little shitty clamp. I don't know where I got these clamps, but they work great because they're nice and flat, and it just kind of clicks on here. They're not too big, and it holds my sheet metal brake just perfect. So and the brake kind of acts like a shelf here. Frick is going on here? Come on, you stupid fucking thing. There we go. See, so that's in there. Then the bar. Put that on here. And I usually put, I don't know if it's up or down on here. I might just screw it on the end part. That's the bending part here. This over here. And then I put the clamps on the back half. So that way, when it's not in use, it just sits over here and hides. Most people, you can't even really tell it's there. It just looks like a shelf, but it stays out of the way, does the job. It usually doesn't interfere with all this. But, so yeah, and then I put my magnets under here. So Strong hand tool magnet there. Another magnet up here. Yeah, actually it's right here. See this? Another one. Put that one over here. Here's a dirty magnet. Oh, you dirty magnet. And then the bar that's on here, what I do is I take my clamps and I just clamp them on the bar. You know, somebody gave me this like crazy purple hammer. You know, I don't know why anybody would make a hammer purple, but you know. Anyway, that's my put in my, what do you call it? My middle brake back. I would like a finger brake, but can't afford it. So anyway, hope you like. Oh, and the knobs, which go in the other side, I usually put them on the wall somewhere over there, so I know they're over there. Anyway, enjoy. Thanks for watching.